welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to be talking about my March favorites. I didn't do a favorites video in February, so I figured I'd do one in March because I'm bored inside my house. Definitely tried a lot of makeup this month, so there has been awesome products that have come out from new products that I bought or stuff that I've tried again. And that I actually really liked. So that's what we're going to do today. Hope you guys are staying safe and not too bored in your quarantine. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I upload every Monday and Friday, or I try to upload every Monday and every Friday. I upload every Monday. I sometimes struggle with the Friday upload, but I hope some of these videos have been a good distraction for you during this really awful time. It's been really crazy. I haven't left the house in 2 weeks. So I hope you guys are excited to check out my March favorites, and let's jump right in. So I just want to mention that I tried to, I don't know if you can see it because it's really not that good, but I tried to like tie-dye this with bleach and it came out all right. The back looks a lot better than the front does. But that's why my shirt looks like this. If you're like, what the frick is wrong with her shirt? It's because I tried to bleach it and tie-dye it. I'm definitely gonna do it again. I've just been bored and I'm like, I need something to do. So that's what I've been doing. I have a bunch of different products, basically some makeup, some skincare, and some other stuff. So we are going to start off with the makeup and then I'll move into like skincare and stuff like that. I have two foundations I really have been liking. The first one is the Haley's Reset Liquid Matte Foundation. This foundation is absolutely beautiful. If you're wanting to try something from Haley's, this foundation is awesome. I've definitely mentioned their powder a bunch. I love this powder, but I'm not a huge matte foundation type of person. I definitely love my luminosity just because I have combo skin, but I definitely lean drier than oily. But this one is really nice. I've been trying to try matte foundations just because I've been like ignoring them for like the longest time, but this is really nice if you're looking for a good matte foundation. All my oily people out there, and also if you have dry skin like I do, I think you would like this. It's not like super matte where you're like, yikes, doesn't look like real. It's definitely like a matte to natural finish kind of a thing, but I really like it, and this was a new discovery for me. If you haven't seen the video where I tried Haley's Beauty full line of products, I'll leave that down below so you can check it out. The second foundation that I have been really liking, that I didn't honestly really like when I did the video of the Creme Shop or Creme Shop, this is the BB cream. The claims it has is full coverage, hydration, age defense, and SPF 30. It is really nice. I liked it when I first used it, but then I was editing the footage and like the way it looks on the skin is like insane. It's absolutely beautiful. Sometimes with all of these lights that are on my face right now, I have like 1, 2, 3. So it can be like sometimes a little bit hard to see like what a foundation is actually looking like. I try to like go into like my bathroom or like my bedroom or something like that to see like what it's actually doing, but I absolutely love this. I will say this, the shade range on this BB cream is absolutely terrible. I think there's like 4 shades. I totally understand that it's a Korean brand, so I know that like in South Korea, there aren't going to be as many people in the darker complexion over there. I understand that, but you're in America now and you're at CVS, and I feel like you should step up your game. But honestly, this is really nice. There's something about like the way it looks. It doesn't have a ton of coverage. That is what that looks like. I have the shade medium, by the way. I just like it for like those days when I'm just like, I don't want to do anything. I just want to kind of like fix up my imperfections. Like I don't want to have like a really heavy look like what I'm doing right now. But this is really nice, and if you're at CVS, and hopefully they have your shade, but it's awesome. Moving on from my 2 foundations this month, I'm going to talk about the J.cat Aqua Surance Compact Foundation. I tried this in a video on my channel where I tried the Surance line from J.cat. It's like Aqua Surance, Skin Surance, and I think it was Stay Surance. So like their Surance line. But honestly, this one I've had for a minute, and I actually just tried it like once or twice, and I have the shade Ivory, but honestly for the under eyes, this has been my go-to. It is extremely pigmented. It's like a foundation, not so much like a setting powder, so it gives you like that really big time coverage when you are setting your under eyes. Like I really like it for the under eyes. I would not use this for my whole face, and if you saw my video where I tried this for the second time, you can see that I am like shocked at how good it is. So I recommend this for you if you have really dark circles under your eyes, or if you like a really brightened under eye, then I would recommend this powder. But it is so good, and I use it almost every single time I do my makeup, just under my eyes and anywhere I want to highlight. So basically anywhere I would put concealer, I set the concealer with this powder. It's awesome. The next thing is from the Creme shop as well. This is a blush that I've been obsessed with. I'm wearing it right now. It is so good. It's called the Cheri Rose All Day Blush. It is so pretty. I was really shocked at how absolutely beautiful this blush is. I am a blush girl. Like, I really like my blush. So I really like this color. Super, super pigmented, and it is like a matte blush. So if you like that, then you will like this blush. It's 10 bucks. I like these kinds of tones of blushes. It's either like peach or like plummy. So if you like that too, then definitely try this blush out. Next, I have highlighter. I just got this during which is still going on right now. It's the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. They do it twice a year. They do it in September and they do it around this time. This is from Ofra. This is a highlighter. It is in the shade Rodeo Drive. This stuff, I have it on my face right now. It is gorgeous. It is so pretty. First of all, I love the packaging. Like, it's a really nice, sturdy packaging. This is what the highlighter looks like. It's just so pretty with the like quintessential press that Ofra has. And honestly, it is freaking beautiful. I think this is one of the high-end products that I'm very, very impressed with. It is just so beautiful on the skin. Like, you don't see a ton of high-end products on my channel because I do really love my drugstore stuff. It's like that perfect gold shade. Like, you can see it on my cheeks. It's like freaking wet. It's like glass. It's so pretty. Next one is from Hailey's Beauty. This is the Refine Prime Foundation Primer. This is what it looks like. I really, really have been liking this. It is a really good blurring pore primer. It also does mattify your skin, but I absolutely love this. It's like the texture of a like eyeshadow primer, but it also feels really nice and silky. And then when you put foundation on top of it, it is really, really nice. So you can see I just put it over the highlighter and you can't see it. Like, it definitely does mattify your skin. I really like that it's from Hailey's. I love supporting a indie brand, and Hailey's has some amazing stuff. So definitely check out Hailey's Beauty, and this primer is so good, and the foundation are amazing. Next one is from Tarte. It is the Tartiest Pro Lash Glue. I got this in like a set. It's a collab. I'm not entirely sure if they still sell this. I'll leave it linked below so you can check it out. I'm wearing the lashes right now. So this is called the Exterior Glam X Tarte. Comes with the lash glue and these lashes, and I really like this lash glue better than any other thing that I've tried. It's really, really, really nice. It doesn't make your corners lift or anything like that. It doesn't smell bad. Like, lash glue can get a little funky, but this one's really, really nice. Pretty sure they sell this on their own. This is what the package looks like. So if you see it at Ulta, around where like they have the expensive lashes, you can pick it up if you're interested. The lashes are so pretty. We can do the fan test if you like. It just doesn't move, and if you get caught in like the wind or something like that, you're gonna be good with this lash glue. I had the Duo one I was using for like the longest time, and then I tried the Kiss one that I thought was gonna be a lot better than the Duo one. My inner corner of my lashes were lifting, but I think this one is the best one I've tried so far. I really, really like this. The other lashes I want to mention are from Kiss. This is the Lash Couture Luxtension Ultimate Lash Extension Look. This is in the style Royal Silk. They are so beautiful. Like, they really give you that lash extension look. I really am like saving these because they're expensive, and like when I try to use them again, I wasn't as impressed with them, but honestly they are so freaking beautiful. So if you find these at Walmart or anywhere, definitely pick them up because they are gorgeous. Like, probably one of the best lashes that I've ever tried from the drugstore. Lash extensions can be very, very bad for your lashes, but these are absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. There's two setting sprays that I just want to call out really quick. One is the Morphe Luminous setting spray. I love this stuff, but when you mix it with the Wet n Wild Bretman Rock 3-in-1 face mist, These two together make your skin look really, really, really dewy. This has like shimmer in it, but when you spray it, it doesn't really come up on your face or anything like that. So I'm just gonna spray my hand really quick so you can see. So here you go. I'm gonna leave my hand up here for a minute. Like there is like shimmer in here, but it doesn't come off like crazy where you're gonna look at your face and you're gonna be like, I have shimmer all over my face. It's not like that. There is definitely like a tiny little bit of glow, but honestly, I'm wearing a matte foundation. I'm wearing the Maybelline, the Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. By the way, really, really good. First time trying it. I'm obsessed. It is so nice. Very, very shocked for like a matte foundation. So, but I spray my face with the luminous setting spray first, and then I do this one, and my face looks hella dewy. So for a matte foundation to look like this, obviously I have a highlighter on and stuff like that, but this combo makes your skin look very dewy. So I don't recommend you use this when you're doing like a dewy foundation. It'll make your skin look really oily, but if you do it with like a matte foundation, it gives you just like that perfect amount of dewiness. Next thing I want to talk about is from Olly. These are sleep vitamins. So this is like for a healthy sleep cycle. It has melatonin, L-theanine, and botanicals. This is what it looks like. You've probably seen this at Target or something. I'm actually running out of it. I need to order some. But these are really, really nice. I wouldn't say that it's like going to knock you out, but it definitely gives you that like kind of drowsy feeling. I don't know why in every like favorite video, I've only done 2, but I'm always talking about sleep help because I go to sleep, I wake up at like 3 and then I'm like up for 2 hours. Like that's like my normal sleep cycle. So I definitely need something that's going to keep me asleep, and this definitely helps to fall asleep because that can be an issue for me too. They are gummies. I only don't have a ton left, but and they taste really good. They taste like blueberry. I was really skeptical of like kind of gimmicky stuff like this, but it actually really works. I really want to get the energy one, but I haven't seen it at Target because every grocery store, every like place that you can buy things at this point that's open is a mess. If you're looking for something that's going to be really gentle, I would definitely try these. These are really, really good. I usually take them like 2 hours before I'm gonna fall asleep, and then I'm like out. Next thing is this Holika 99% aloe. I got this at TJ Maxx a while ago. I tried it and I only thought it was good for when your skin is red, and that is super true, so definitely takes that redness away. But then I started trying it, like I would do my under eye cream, I would do like a serum, and then I put my moisturizer on, and then I put this on top of it. And it honestly keeps my acne at bay. It keeps the redness at bay. Like it really, really has been helping me. And this stuff is awesome. It was $6 at TJ Maxx. So if you can see this at TJ Maxx, I would get it, or you can order it online. But this one is really, really good. It's 99% aloe. Definitely try the ones that have like, it's like a spear of aloe plant. I just really like it. I think it's really nice to use something that's natural to help your skin. If you have an issue with acne or rosacea, which is what I have, definitely try this over your moisturizer. It's really nice, it's refreshing. It smells like cucumbers, which I like. So I really like it to use it over top, and it really, really helps my acne. Because if I don't use this and my acne is crazy, that doesn't mean it's not going to completely eradicate my acne, but like this definitely does help it. So if you're really into like using natural things to help your skin, I would definitely try this out. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like kind of a short and sweet video, just my March favorites. But if you have tried any of these products, let me know. Or if you want to see more of these products on my channel, leave a comment down below. But before you guys leave, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, like the video. But I hope you guys have a really good weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.